Hello traders, in this video we're going to talk about bid and bid-ask spread. You may have heard the word bid or ask before. It might be at a bank or a Forex bureau. What you should know when trading is that if you place a trade that's a buy or a sell, you are currently buying and simultaneously selling the other currency at the same time. The ask price is the price the trader is willing to pay for an asset, and the bid price is the price the trader is willing to get for an asset. And the ask bid price is the differences between them. If a trader forecasts that the price of an asset is going to go high in value, the trader buys the asset, and when it goes to his direction, he now sells it and makes some profit out of it. And also, if a trader forecasts that the price of an asset is going down in value, the trader can sell it and can buy it later when it's down in value. So as you can see on this gold chart, there is a red line and there is a white or an ash line below it. The red line represents the ask price and the white or the ash line represents the bid price. So if you place a buy trade here, before you be able to make profit, the white or ash line need to bypass your entry point. And if you place a sell trade here, it will execute on the bid price. That means the red line needs to bypass the white or the ash line towards the downwards direction before you be able to make profits. So the gap between the red and the white line is the difference or the spread. Commodities and asset prices are changing every second in value, but in reality, let's take for example gold. The bid price is 1804 and the ask price is 1805. And the spread is the difference between the ask and the bid price. So in this scenario, if you want to buy gold, you are going to buy it at 1805 and the spread is 1. And when you want to sell gold, you'll be offered 1804. Now the spread is what the market makers, the brokers, or the people on the trading floor makes out of trading. That's something you have to keep in mind when trading. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.